Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea. This video is part of the Innovations in Technology Higher Education project. I will be showing you how to use the Canvas Groups feature. This is one of my favorite features in Canvas, especially switching into remote education and trying to keep students more engaged, or if you just have a really large class of like 150 students, breaking it up into smaller groups helps students get more engaged and more involved. So in order to do this, you do need a Canvas shell. Luckily, one of the classes I'm in right now is using the groups feature, so I'll be bouncing back between that Canvas and some external resources to show you what it would look like to set this up. So here's your home page. You're going to click on the People's tab, and then this will be the landing page where it says everyone. You're going to click on groups. If you've never set up groups before, it'll look something like this. A group set would be different tabs. So let's say you want to have discussion board groups and you want them to be different every single week. This could be DB Group 1. You can have another tab that says DB Group 2 or Week 2. And then let's say you have a term paper that is a completely different group. This could be the term paper tab, and that would be all of the different groups. Clicking group right here would create groups within the tab. So that like case study, ethnography, grounded theory. And you have a couple different ways of organizing. You can split students into, say you only want to have 5 groups with 5 students each. Or if you have, you want each group to have 10, you can automatically select this and then say I want 10 people in each group, and it'll create the number of groups for you depending on the number of students you have. Or you can create groups manually. So like for term papers, if you want people to be allowed to pick their partner or pick their group, you can set this here. And then you want to click on save. I use automatically assign a group leader when I teach the group communication class, but if you don't have specific assigned roles, then you can just go ahead and leave that blank right there. It'll show you how to view the groups. It'll say visit page. So right here, I'm in this group. It says visit. These groups are locked, so I can't see what's happening in their groups. As an instructor, it'll say visit on every single page for you. And then you can edit. If you need to just rearrange a student, you can do that. So this is what it looks like when you get into the actual group page. We have a discussion board post right here. It shows you recent activity announcements. We can create these ourselves within the group to communicate amongst each other. The professor can keep them. If you click on the People's tab, it'll show you everyone who is in this group. Just to maintain privacy, I'm not going to click on that tab for you right here. And then here are the discussion boards. This is a discussion board assigned by the professor. So if we click on it, here's our discussion board post, and then you can see that we've begun to reply in that. But the coolest feature about groups and why I think it should be activated for everybody is this collaborations page right here. So it will connect you directly to Google Docs. And as long as your Gmail account is connected to your Canvas account, it'll automatically connect you to the Google Doc. If your Gmail is not automatically connected to Canvas and someone clicks on collabs, it will send you an email asking you to set that up. And it's just really convenient to connect with group members all on Canvas. It takes you to the People's page. So here you can see the group. If I had multiple classes or if I was in multiple groups, I could have a quick link to them right here. So let's say we're setting up an assignment for the group that is not a discussion board. We can go to assignment, add assignment, type in our details right here, and then we want to select this is a group assignment. We don't want to select assign grades to each student individually. For me, this defeats the whole purpose of a group project. A group project linking the assignment is about convenience. So if I give one person a grade of 90, it would give everyone who's linked to that assignment also a 90. But let's say you need to deduct points from a student but not other students. Just create a new assignment, and instead of assigning it to everyone, type in the one student that gets the negative points, set your point value to 0, and then you would just use right here, set this to 0. And then when you type in their points, you would just type in like -5 or however much they were going to get taken off. But here's your introduction to Canvas group pages. I hope you use the collaborations feature and it keeps your students more engaged.